Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens. We're here to do some deals for the week of the 28th through the 3rd of September. And I think it's going to be a really good week. Now we are in a new month at Walgreens, so it's always a little bit slow that first week because we're just trying to feel out the new deals and see what any monthly deals we might have. So since today is the 30th of August, this is the last day to use these coupons if you have them with the expiration date of the 30th. So we're definitely going to use these today as well. So hopefully we've got some really good deals with that. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. And if you're not new, welcome back. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box for you to use to help you plan your trip or to help you out in store. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to do is spend $60, get back $15 in Walgreens cash. We are starting off with these cough drops. I am also going to do a transaction by themselves. So the cough drops are $1.99, but if you can see on the top there in the yellow bar, it says they're 2 for $3. So they're actually going to be $1.50 for one and 75 cents for another one. So that both of them will equal out to $2.25. You will get back a $5 register reward when you buy the yellow bag, either of the regular kind or the sugar-free kind. You will get back a $5 register reward, making them free, and a $2.75 moneymaker. So that's a deal anyone can do. So then we're going to grab some of the Febreze fabric sprays. They're 2 for $7. There's also the Air Effects and the car clips. But 2 of them are going to equal out to $7. We have a $3.30 off of 2 digital coupon. That's going to bring the total down to $3.70 or $1.85 a piece. And I think that is a great deal on the fabric sprays. Next, we're going to do the Nivea promotion. The Nivea promotion is spend $20, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So we're going to grab this large bottle down here for $8.29. Then I'm going to grab 2 of the breathable lotions here for $6.99. So the total for the 3 lotions will equal out to $22.27. I have a 4 off 2 insert coupon and a $2 off insert coupon that I'm going to use. They come from the 8/21 save insert. Now, if you want to use a 20% off coupon or a store register reward and do this deal by itself, you absolutely can. You just need to make sure that you are at the $20 mark after any store coupons or discounts come off. So then after my coupons, my total will be $16.27. I'll get back $10 in Walgreens cash, making all 3 bottles $6.27, but of course we are getting these with our spend booster, so they'll be even cheaper than that. Next, we're going to grab some Downy Unstoppables. These are on sale for $13.99, and they are on a monthly promotion for buy one, get back a $3 register reward. So of course these are $13.99, and we're going to use an insert coupon from the August P&G. We're going to use that $3 coupon because that is the big bottle of softener beads. Then we're going to use that $5 P&G coupon. That's going to bring our total down to just $5.99. We're going to get back a $3 register reward, making it just $2.99. And you can use Walgreens cash to pay for this. So then we're going to grab some M&Ms. They're on sale for $1 this week. I'm going to grab 3 of them. I have $1.75 off of 3 digital coupon that I'm going to use, and I am going to get 3 of the same kind. So they're going to be $3 for 3 of them. After that $1.75 coupon, my total is just going to be $1.25 for all 3. Then we're going to add in some Airwick refills. These are 2 for $11. No rewards coming back for them, so they're going to be $11. We're going to use a 3 off 2 digital coupon. That's going to make them $8. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta, and we're going to get back $1.50 on each one of them, making them both just $5 or $2.50 a piece. So then this is everything in that first transaction. I am going to be pairing my digital booster with a paper booster that is spend $40, get back $9 in Walgreens cash, and I'm going to throw in a $5 register reward, and I'll let you know how that goes in the car. So next we're going to do a spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash scenario. Rumor has it that the Tide here, the Hygienic Clean, is on sale for $12.99, and it is coded to give us back a $3 register reward when we buy one. Now, I didn't test buying two and getting back a $5 register reward, so I'm only going to grab one of these and see if it's going to give me back the $3 register reward. So if it does, that's great. So one of them is going to equal out to $12.99. I'm going to use a $2 off digital coupon. You can use a $2 paper coupon, and then we're going to use that $5 P&G coupon as well. So after the P&G coupon and the digital coupon, the total will be $7.99. But we're going to get back a $3 register reward, making it $4.99. And I think that is a very, very good deal. So next I'm going to grab the Febreze Air Effects. These are the same deal as the fabric spray, so they're 2 for $7. We have it at $3.30 off of 2 digital coupon. That's going to make them $3.70 or $1.85 a piece. Still think it's a pretty good deal, but they're not as expensive as the fabric sprays, so that's why I got those also. So then I'm going to do the Maybelline Cosmetics. This really isn't on any type of a deal, except it's on a monthly deal where you buy 2, you get the 3rd one free. No Ibotta rebates or anything like that. So we're going to grab these Maybelline Shadow Blocks for $13.49. Then I'm going to grab an eyeshadow pot here for $6.99. And then I'm going to grab a eyeliner down below for $5.99. So the eyeliners will be free, and the other 2 eyeshadows, they will equal out to $20.48. I have an 8 off 2 digital coupon that is expiring today that works on all 3 of these products. So that's going to come off making all 3 products just $12.48. But I have some money makers that are paying for that, plus digital boosters, so it's going to be a great deal. So next I'm going to grab some toothbrushes, and they are buy 3, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. And they're on sale for $4 a piece, and I'm struggling here to get them off. But the 3 of them will equal out to $12. And we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. So that'll bring them down to $7. We'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making them $2 for the 3 of them. And I'm checking the barcode here because I have different colors, and they're all the same barcode, so that 5 off 3 should come off just fine. So this is everything in my second transaction. I am going to use this $5 store register reward, but I'm not going to use that $9 booster. I decided to use the $5 coupon instead. Alright guys, so we are back in from Walgreens, and there was a couple of issues. One is an obvious issue with the Maybelline. That was one of the last things I got. And then the other one was the Nivea, and I'll talk about that when I get to it. One little update that I want to talk about is the Walgreens monthly coupon booklets. Those are going away. The cashier told me today that this is the last month for them. Now, as a business standpoint, I can understand why they don't print those anymore. You know, this day and age, they want everything to be digital. The ad is digital. That is going to be digital. And that's a lot cheaper for the company. But for couponers, it's not the greatest, because you can use the coupon multiple times throughout the month. You do not have to, you know what I mean? It's not one-time use. The digital ones are, and those have always been that way, but the paper ones are not. You can scan it, and then the next time you're in store, you get the same item. You can scan the coupon again and get them off of all of your items that you get in the transaction. So if that changes with the digital, that would be great. If it doesn't, then that's not great, and we'll have to be a little bit more careful. Now, typically, I don't get deals that require, you know what I mean, the booklet coupon to be used multiple times. maybe one time, most likely not. So I'm not that upset about it, you know what I mean? I just know that as we go further into the future with things that are digital and streamlined and things like that, that those type of things will be going away. I know paper coupons are going to go away. I know that there's big changes coming to CVS, and you know, we just have to evolve with the times. And if CVS isn't a friendly couponing store anymore, then it's just not, and we just go with the flow. Walgreens, I love Walgreens. I love couponing here. I get great things here. So anyways, speaking of great things, there's something that I seen on the internet a few months back, and I really wanted to get it. If you know me, you know that I like to coupon for skincare and makeup products, and I keep getting this sticker just smeared all over the place. But anyways, I love to work those things into deals because I love to try it, and if it's not any good, then it's not any good. So this is called the Maybelline Shadow Blocks, and this is such a cool concept. I do have something similar to this at home, but it's not Maybelline. I got it at Sephora. But this is 3 eyeshadows in one, and it's just a little set. And so you go like this, and you have your highlighting shade. Then you lift up the other one, and you have your shimmer shade. And then you lift up the other one, and you have like a crease shade. Isn't that fun? And then you have 3 all together like that. Now, in my own opinion, either these could have been bigger, the pans, or this could have been smaller, but that's just me. But anyways, I finally found these at this Walgreens, and I was so excited. And there's, of course, other colors. So I was so happy to work that into a deal. So let's talk about the numbers. One thing I want to mention really quick is that the first store I went to, they had a ton of the yellow bags of cough drops. So I did one in a transaction by itself, and then I did another set of 2 in a spend scenario. So the cough drops are $1.99 a piece, but in the little tag, or on the tag on above the price, there is 2 for $3. So they're going to ring up $3, but since they're buy one get one 50% off, one will ring up at $1.50 and one of them will ring up at 75 cents, making them $2.25 for both of them, and not $2.98 for the both of them. So if you're doing a spend scenario, then just be mindful of that, because if you are just over your amount that you need to be at, and that could bring you below. So just wanted to let you know that. So with this transaction, I got the drops again, and I got the Febreze, I got the big Downy, Airwick, M&M's, and the Nivea. Now with the Nivea, it is spend 20, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. I spent like $22.97, and I did not get back the Walgreens cash for that. Other than that, all my digital coupons come off, my paper coupons came off totally fine. So I don't know why I didn't get that. But I did have a $5 P&G coupon. Then I used a $5 register reward. I had a $3 paper coupon for the Downy Unstoppables, because the Downy Unstoppables are like 26 ounces, so you can use the $3 coupon. I had a $2 Nivea coupon and a 4 off 2 Nivea coupon. Then I had the $3.30 for the Febreze come off, the $3 for the Airwick come off, and $1.75 for my M&M's come off. Then my total was $32.46. I got back $24.98 in a Walgreens cash. Then what the store did is they issued me $10 more in Walgreens cash. So then my total of Walgreens cash back was $34.98. I got back a $3 register reward for the Downy. And then I got back a $5 register reward for the cough drops. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $3 on Ibotta for the Airwick and a 25-cent any receipt bonus. Not bonus, but any receipt offer there. So I got back $3.25 on Ibotta, making that transaction free and a $13.52 moneymaker. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that one. So since I had that bit of a moneymaker, that's why I went ahead, instead of trying to do some more Febreze or something like that, I thought, you know what, I'm going to get something that I've been wanting to get really bad, and I saw it in there. So for the next transaction, I know that I showed you that, you know, okay, this is everything that I'm getting. I'm going to use this booster and this $5 coupon. And for some reason, it left my head that I couldn't use both of them together. So I chose to get the $5 off instead of $9 in Walgreens cash. So we didn't have that Walgreens cash paper booster, just the $5 store register reward come off. The only thing other than that was that the $8 Maybelline coupon, 8 off of 2, did not come off, and that's because I didn't get 2 of the same items. I got the shadow blocks, I got the pot shadow, and then I got the liners, and it just didn't come off. So I'm going to talk to Walgreens about getting that $8, and I'm going to ask them, you know, why is this happening? You know, why can't I use a coupon on 2 different items when it says on any Maybelline eye product except mono shadows? So what's going on here? And why are we paying more out of pocket for this every time? And then we have to contact you to get Walgreens cash. If you're going to advertise a coupon, we should be able to save $8 out of pocket, not pay for it and then get Walgreens cash back. So that's my little soapbox there. So my total was $32.17, but with that $8 coupon, then my total is $24.18. I got back $10.47 in Walgreens cash, $5 for the booster, and then $5 for the toothbrushes. And then I got back another $3 register reward here for the Tide. So that $12.99 Tide does work for the $3 register reward. So that Hygienic Clean Tide is on sale for $12.99. And it does give you the $3 register reward, and that deal is going on all month long. We won't have the P&G coupons, but we have that deal going on all month long. So then that brings my total down to $10.70 for everything in that transaction. But I had a $13.52 moneymaker for my other transaction, and then a $2.75 moneymaker for getting the cough drops a second time. So then that makes everything that I got today free and a $5.57 moneymaker. Holy cow. For what I got, I will definitely take it. I also got back a spend booster of spend 40, get back $8 in Walgreens cash, and I also got another 20% off. So one last thing that I wanted to talk about before we get on out of here is that with the weekly deals now being buy 3, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, number one, we can do curbside pickup for those deals because you do get back Walgreens cash with curbside pickup orders. And you can do them more than once in a transaction. That is why I was not really frustrated, but really excited when so one thing I wanted to mention before I go is that with the weekly deals that are buy 3, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, we can do them as curbside pickups now because we can still get Walgreens cash on pickup orders. We also can do them in multiples of 3 in a one transaction. We can do more than one in a transaction instead of doing them in separate transactions. So if you end up getting, you know, you've got 2 weekly deals and you can do them in a transaction now instead of separating the transactions. So I am so excited for this month. I really am. And that's really it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. All right, guys, we're back in from Walgreens, and there was 2 things that happened. I'll talk about them when we get there, but they were very easy fixes. There's a spider hanging down right here. Now he's crawling back up his little web. Okay, well, the truck is not for you. Here, you can go on the outside, but we're not gonna, excuse me, I'm trying to help you. That probably killed him, but anyways. And then I got back a $5 register reward for the